ni, fel bob blwyddyn arall, sef Scots. Dwi ar y ffordd i gwrdd ag Iona Fyfe, hen ffrind gwrddys i yn Lorion nôl yn 2018, a rhywun sydd wedi bod yn gweithio'n galed i godi ymwybyddiaeth am Scots fel iaith yn hytrach na thafodiaeth, ac wedi ymgyrchu'n frwd dros gael mwy o hawliau iddi.
She drinks at the wine, lamenting for her son. He was killed by the king of Scotland for all that he had done, for all that he had done. For the deity, the Escar, feather he ruled. She'd been no high degree. She set up a line for to get her revenge. King Kenneth he Mundy, King Kenneth he Mundy. King Kenneth was Chinese.
Iona, of course, last time we spoke together was in Lorion 4 years ago. A lot has happened since then, but despite the pandemic, you've been very busy.
Yeah, I thought that the pandemic would kind of slow us down a wee bit, but it really hasn't. It's allowed us to have more time to make new music, record new things, and take stock on what we really want to do, which is perform live.
And of course, not only have you been making music, but you've been campaigning lots for the Scots language. Yeah,
in June 2020, we constituted Our Vice, which is the official campaign for a Scots Language Act, to put into legislation that Scots is actually a real living language and should be treated as such on equal par with Gaelic and other minority languages. And it's not just a tick box thing, it's about meaningful change and having Scots in education, having more Scots in media and broadcasting. And actually, almost 29% of the Scottish Parliament had signed our pledge, pledging to support Scots in any way they see fit, which is really cool.
Or does she lay in the ground?